In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Payoneer app to the latest version. By updating your Payoneer app, it means you'll get the latest features and also enhanced security features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix a lot of errors and bugs that are associated with the older version of this app. So to update this app, it is pretty simple. If you are using an Android smartphone, you can update it through Google Play Store. However, if you are using an iPhone, then you need to access App Store for you to be able to update this Payoneer app. Now, for my case, I'm using an Android smartphone, and therefore I just need to go ahead and tap on Play Store. And then from here, I just need to go ahead and search for the app like that. And then my app is here. Then go ahead and tap on it to open. Now, as you can see here, we have two options: uninstall and update. If you see it written here update, then it means you have been using an outdated version of this app, which is not secure. So to update it, go ahead and tap on update, and then this will proceed and download the app on your smartphone. And once it has downloaded it, it will proceed and install the latest app to replace the older version. So once this is done, now you'll see we have an option to open it. So go ahead and open the latest and more secure app that has the latest feature to start enjoying your Payoneer app. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.